Can you tell me what you really want from me? Say she the only real one for me. Told me that she down to hold the gun for me. I ain't tryna break her heart, told her run for me. When she need dick, she gon' come for me. I like being by myself, to be honest, I ain't gon' lie. I do enjoy your company. Close to the edge, if I jump, I know she gon' jump with me. Can you tell me what you really want from me? Say she the only real one for me. Told me that she down to hold the gun for me. I ain't tryna break her heart, told her run for me. When she need dick, she gon' come for me. I like being by myself, to be honest, I ain't gon' lie. I do enjoy your company. Close to the edge, if I jump, I know she gon' jump with me. I'm focused on the money, I can show you no affection.
He's literally like crying now. Drink water if you want.
Hey, so what is up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Roxel Fun Media. Today's video is gonna be a different one, as you saw in the title. Yes guys, today I'm gonna be having the Jolo chip, which is the hottest chip in the world. I know guys that there are a lot of videos on YouTube, there are a lot of challenges on Jolo chip, but this won't be a challenge video. Today I'll be just having the chips and reviewing it, how's the taste and how's the texture and everything. Is it worth to buy the chips and have it like a regular chip, or is it just okay for the challenge? I'll be letting you know in the video guys. So alright guys, I've got the box and the knife, my big knife, chef's knife. Just unbox it for the first time. By the way guys, I've heard that this chip is really hot. It's world's spiciest chip. Oh my gosh. It looks like a demon guys, just look at it. If you can see. Just look at this. So okay guys, here's this chip. As the box says, Jolo chip, one chip challenge. One black deadly chip inside. By the way guys, this particular chip costs about $199, which more or less about 200 bucks, and it consists of only one chip only, so it's a bit expensive guys. The box only says it's a chip challenge, but this won't be a challenge video. But yes, I'm gonna try this and see how's the taste. So alright guys, I have a regular chili with me, which is a regular Indian chili. I don't know the particular name. This particular chili has about 30,000 Scoville unit. Most of you, if you doesn't know what Scoville unit is, if you have to measure how much spicy a chili is, you measure with Scoville units. So this particular has about 30,000 Scoville unit, whereas this particular chip, this one chip, has about 220,000 Scoville unit, which is about 70% more spicy than this thing. It's like, you can say 100% as well. It's just 30,000, this is 220,000 guys. Let's praise God and unbox this thing. Okay. My gosh. Whoa. Guys, another challenge would be, I'll be having this chip, and as you can see, there is no cold water or milk or ice cream, anything. So if the spices really hit me, then I won't be having any water. So let's see, that would be a challenge, if I really need water after having this chip or not. So stay tuned guys, watch till the end. And oh wow, there are some graphics inside, as you can see. The boxing is really good, and this is the chip guys. Fear the Reaper. Fear the Reaper. Dead Reaper. Any last words? The Reaper is waiting. Oh my god. As it says, like, you might die after having this chip, guys. Wait for the Reaper. Any last words? Well, let's see. My last words would be nothing. So, alright, guys, I'm gonna open it and have this. So, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Sorry, guys, I'm sweating a bit because it's already hot and I have to shoot it because I can't turn on the fan, otherwise there will be noise. Moreover, it's really hot today, and on top of that it's spicy as it says. So let's see. How should I open this? Okay, it's really tight. I need a scissor or something.
A few moments later.
Guys, I got a scissor. I'm doing the chip inside. My gosh. Oh. The smell in itself is really intense, guys. Like the first smell I got, it smells really spicy, guys. But smells quite nice as well. Okay, the chip is already broken into 2 pieces. Okay, this is the chip, guys. It's all, you know, covered with all the spices and everything. It's a black chip. This is the chip, as you can see. It's all covered with spices, thick layer of spices and black colored chip. The chip looks good anyways. Smells spicy as well, really spicy. So I'm gonna have it and review it. How is it?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Tastes a bit, you know, tastes like nachos. Why you guys are laughing? Tastes like nachos. Like the nachos you have. The moment you have it, guys, the spice hits
Oh,
hits
God.
you intensely.
Drink water.
No, wait. The spice hits you directly. Okay? Okay, guys, I didn't knew this will be really spicy.
He's literally like crying now. Drink water if you want.
Oh my god, guys. Okay. This thing is spicy. It's really spicy. Really spicy. Alright, guys. I guess I can't handle it. I got cold water. I'm not even acting, guys. This thing is really spicy. Thank you. The taste of it, guys, it tastes like nachos. The moment you have it, the heat, the spice directly hits you. This chip is sabotaging my palate, guys. My tongue, my palate, my whole mouth is burning. It just destroyed. Oh. Can I get a tissue? Oh. world's deadliest chip, guys. Any day. I thought the spice won't hit me that much, but yes, my mouth is destroyed, guys. Totally. Oh. Make sure there's no spice here or spread anywhere, because this thing might hurt your sensitive parts as well. So make sure it's properly cleaned and wash your hands as well, because guys, the way it's burning my mouth, for God's sake, what it might do to your skin. Oh, still not going, guys. It's still burning. My God. My nose is wet. My eyes are, fully wet. I'm literally crying. Alright guys, now it's going a bit low right now. अब ठीक है सब कुछ. But guys, sorry ये flop हो गया. It has been flop, guys, because I couldn't review the chip properly, because the moment I ate it, it totally destroyed. Anyways guys, the chip actually tastes more or less like nachos, like really spicy nachos on fire. This is not a regular chip, guys. I would not recommend you to have it like that. It's not a regular chip. You can have it for fun, or if you want to try something new, so you can have it. And also go through the rules, like if you have any allergies, or you don't like spicy food, or you have any woman is pregnant, so you cannot have this spicy chip, otherwise it might get you really bad, might make you feel sick. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe and share this video as well, and comment down below how you liked it, and it will mean a lot to me, guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Don't just watch the video, guys. I really need your support. And yeah, that's it guys for today. So yes guys, till then, hustle, grind and roast. And guys, yes, if you enjoyed it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with more videos because I can't go out and make vlogs, so I have to make some videos here at home only. And guys, yes guys, stay safe. We are all going through a really hard time, so we are in this together. Stay safe, be healthy, stay tuned for the next one. Okay guys, bye bye.
Can you tell me what you really want from me? Say she the only real one for me. Told me that she down to hold the gun for me. I ain't tryna break her heart, told her run for me. When she need dick, she gon' come for me. I like being with myself, to be honest, I ain't gon' lie. I do enjoy your company. Close to the edge, if I jump, I know she